A very good day, children. I hope you all must have enjoyed the holidays and all of you must have done your holiday homework also. So, we have started with the WhatsApp group for class 6th, and in that WhatsApp group, I've already posted that whatever queries you will going to have in English subject. So, you can ask me on every Thursdays between 5 and 6 p.m. and I'll be happy to clear your queries, children. Children, we have done 2-3 topics in grammar. We have done writing skill. We haven't started yet with any of the writing skills. So today we are going to start with writing skill. Okay, so today we are going to start with formal and informal letter writing. Okay, so there are two kinds of letter writing. One is your formal, the other is informal. Okay, informal, children, I think you must have done in 5th and 4th class and all. So informal and formal letter writing. Informal letters are the letters that you write to your very close people like friends, your brother, sister, mother, father, cousins. Okay, so these are all your informal letter. And the formal letter are letters of complaint, or the letters that you write to principal, the business letters, they are all your formal letters. Okay, so in informal letters, your language is highly formal, and in informal letter, you can write whatever you feel like. So children, in your 6th class, informal letters, mostly you have letters to principal, application to principal, or complaint letters. Okay, so there are certain formats for both formal and informal. So I have given those formats in the notes I have sent you. So read carefully all the notes and try to write the format in the notebook also. Okay, and your format informal letter also the same thing. You have got different format for informal letter, different format for your formal letter. I have given one assignment also which has got questions based on formal and informal letter. So children, informal letters you write to your near dear ones. Formal letters you write to your principals, you write to your business organizations and all that. You write formal letter. Let's start with formal letter. What is the format of formal letter? In the formal letter, you will start with your address. Okay, that is your sender's address. You will write the sender's address on the extreme top left hand side. After writing your address, you will leave space and then you will write the date. Suppose the date for today, suppose the date is 9th July 2020. So you are not going to write it as 9.07.2020. Instead, you are going to write it as 9th July, comma 2020. After date also, you will leave space. And then you will write the receiver's address, the one who is receiving the letter. After writing the receiver's address, again you will leave space and you will write the subject. Okay, now what is the subject? Subject is why did you write the letter? What is the main idea behind writing the letter? That you will write. Suppose you are writing a letter to principal. You want to change your section because some children bully you in your class. So in the subject you will write change of section. The subject should be very short, children. Okay, so change of section. After that again you will leave space and you will write salutation. Now what is salutation? Salutation is the way you are going to address the receiver. Suppose if I am going to write a letter to principal, so I will write respected ma'am. Okay, if I am going to write to some bookseller, okay, so I will write respected sir or dear sir. Okay, so this is called your salutation. After salutation, you will start writing the letter. Once you have finished with your letter, you will do the closing part. How are you going to write the closing part? That is your affection, thanking you, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours obediently. All these you can use. Any one of these you can use. And then after writing this, you will write your name, you will write your designation, and you will put your signature. Designation, if you are writing a letter to a bookseller, your designation will be a student. Since you are studying in a school, Since you're still studying, so you are a student. If you're a businessman, you will write a businessman. Okay, so that is your designation. So you'll write the designation and then you will put your signature. And children, when you are writing a letter, when you are writing an application to principal, there is no need to write the sender's address or date in the top. Instead, you will directly start with the principal. Don't write to and all. Okay, the principal, St. John's Model School, Mayur Vihar, Delhi. After writing that, then you will leave space and write the date. After date, you will write the salutation and then you will start with your objective of writing the letter. So this is the way you will write a formal letter. In informal letter, children, you will start with your sender's address. First you will write, then you will write the date. After date, you will write salutation and then the body of the letter. The body of the letter is divided into three. The first is the introductory part. That is, in that part you will ask about the well-being of the receiver. Suppose I am writing a letter to my mother. So I will write, how are you, mother? How is your health? How is father? How is his health? Okay, so all these I will write in the first introductory part. And then comes the second paragraph in which I will write why did I write the letter? Okay, what was the reason behind writing the letter? The reason. Okay, and in the third paragraph, it is a closing. I will write, give my regards to father or give my love to sister, whatever. So that I'll write in the third paragraph. So it is divided into three paragraphs, and whatever you feel like, you can write in informal letter. Then I will write the closing, that is your daughter, and I'll write my name. Okay, your daughter, your cousin, your son, your friend, whatever, and your name. There is no need to sign, there is no need to write the designation. So this is the way we write formal and informal letter. Similarly, letters of complaint also you can write. Okay, suppose the water that you are getting in your house is contaminated, so you can write a letter to Delhi Jal Board. Okay, telling them that the quality of water is poor and ask them to take some preventive measures. So all these will come under complaint of letter. Suppose the electricity supply is not proper in your area, again you can write. Suppose there is no cleanliness in your area, you can write to the MCD, Municipal Corporation of Delhi, asking them to get your area cleaned. Okay, and suppose the condition of roads, the condition of roads is bad in your area, again you can write to MCD, asking them to repair the roads. So this is the basic difference between the two. So in the assignment also have given formal and informal. Just go through it. And children, in the on next Thursday, you won't be getting any video, neither you will be getting any notes from me. Instead, you will be getting one worksheet, and that will be the revision worksheet, which will cover the entire syllabus of your periodic test 1. Okay, which I think will be held after your 15th of July. Okay, and if you have any query, you can ask me on Thursday.